Hi and welcome back to a new project. Today I'm sharing how I made my December daily for this year. I recently started scrapbooking our family photos in a traveler's notebook size, and I think this is a good way to keep our December memories. For the December daily I picked a paper collection from Photoplay paper. I use it for the cover and also for the inserts. One of the papers is covered with double-sided tape, and I glue down the glitter paper that will be my cover in the end. The glitter paper is from Die Cuts with a View. I cut my cover piece in half and cut it with the Sizzix die from Eileen Hull to create my traveler's notebook cover. Before cutting, you have to make sure that your design pattern will not be headlong in the end, because one of the pieces will be turned around to build up the whole cover. I use wet glue to adhere the pieces together. It's time to create two inserts for the traveler's notebook. You also can make more inserts, of course. I picked some of the papers from the collection and I cut every paper to a size of 21 centimeters to about 30 centimeters. I also have some white papers that have the same size. I will mix these papers together, so in the end I will have a traveler's notebook insert with one white page and a pattern page on each side. You don't have to cut your pages so big. I just do this because my white pages have the same size, and so it's really easy to fold the insert and to sew it together. I picked two of the white papers and make a score line in the middle. This will be the middle page of my inserts, and because of the crease line it's easier to see where I have to sew the book. Now I'm arranging my papers. I use 3 pattern papers and 2 of the white ones. And now I fold them in half, and after that I will lay in my scored white paper And then I go to my sewing machine and sew the pages together. I sew the pages together, and it's not possible, I think, to make more pages in one insert, not with my sewing machine. Now I'm measuring the size of my insert. It's 11 centimeters to 21 centimeters, and I use a cutting blade to cut off the excess. I will keep the strips to decorate my pages when I use the December daily. If your top or bottom edge is not perfect, you can also cut it with your cutting blade. I do the same process again. I measure the 11 centimeters for my second insert and I cut off the rest. This is how my inserts look, and I don't have 24 double pages in the end, but I am sure I will not manage to do 24 layouts in December, so I think this will be good enough. I'm threading in my elastic. I don't use all three of the holes that are on the top and on the bottom. I only use two because I only have two inserts, and I think this will be enough for a December daily. Later I will replace the white elastic with a black one, because the closure of my book will also be black. For the closure I'm using a bigger elastic, and I have to make my hole a little bigger to get it through. To decorate my cover, I'm stacking 3 dies of a deer together to get more dimension. Because of that glitter cover, I will keep it simple. I will just add 2 of the stickers from the paper collection. I will add some extra adhesive to the stickers because of the glittered paper. I will use these stickers and also the rest of the paper collection to decorate my layouts. I'm done with my book. This is a really easy way to create a December daily, but I really look forward to create the pages in it. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Bye!